Okay, everybody, this is what we've been waiting for, the unpacking of the Blackhawk 700. So let's take it out the box. Mind you, I previously already opened this, so no real surprise for me. So it comes in this big box. Let's open this up. And the first thing you notice is the directions. Now these directions, I must say, have everything you're looking for. So if you lose any pieces, it has the pieces by serial numbers on where you can get them. And of course the directions on how to put them together. So let's put that right here. Let's move it further up, away from the box. Now when you go more into the box, I guess some sleeves here, and you have the Blackhawk itself. A large portion of it comes in this large bubble wrap, as you can see, and the windshield sits kindly on the outside. So we'll put the windshield here, and let's take it out the bubble wrap and see what it holds here. So we take out the bubble wrap, we'll discard the bubble wrap, and we'll throw it back here. As you can see, this is a large Blackhawk helicopter, the main fuselage. So you might have just noticed this piece here, it comes off. Piece comes off. First I'm going to have to paint this. This is the gel coat version, and this piece right here comes off also. Kind of real light material, more so fragile. I guess when I finish putting the primer and the paint, it'll harden up a bit. So just to give you insight, this is where the mechanics will go here, and the battery compartment. Unlike the 600, the battery will go in here, the sliding door area. You can see the door slide and opens up. And also it has movable doors here with the hinges. Oh, nice. All right. So we'll put that here. And we'll put these attachments back on. They're magnet attachments, so they fit right back in. And the 600 Blackhawk, you can't take this off when you put the mechanics in, because you'll have to put the mechanics in, take the blades apart, put this part on, and then lock it in place. Unlike the 600, the 700, you can take this piece off. Kind of being fragile with it, delicate with it actually, and pull it away. Put the batteries in, and then slide it right back on. Now, that's what I'm thinking. And with this kit, comes with other things. Let's go to the next box here. Kind of jammed in there. Pull it out more. Again, like I said, I opened it up. So in this box here, it comes with the fuel tanks. You have the drop fuel tanks. Put that here. Of course, I'm going to have to color them. More styrofoam paper in here. Move that all out of the way. And take the biggest part out, the tail. So you got the tail, and listening to it, you have something inside the tail. So let's take the styrofoam wrapping off this one, the bubble wrap. And let's see here. So you have the tail. Also has the little compartment for the lights. Got a light, a little vent here. It's nice. Alright, we'll lay that here. And inside the tail, you have the wheels, the landing gears. So, kind of nice, if you ask me. So the wheels come out, and I believe this one is the tail, for the tail. And let's take out the other wheels here. These are the landing gear wheels. It's kind of springy. Has a nice spring to it, so when you go to land, you get that nice spring action. And it comes with the other one inside. And for the side here, you also have another spring action wheels. So you get altogether 4 of them. 2 sides. You get 2 versions here. You get the, I believe, is the Army version rear and the Navy version. I might be mistaken. You can leave a comment to correct me. Kind of new to me. First Blackhawk, so we'll put these back in the bag. And I'm going to put them right back inside the tail. So we have more room to show what we have here. So now that we went inside there, got that boss. Wow, I see like something else in here. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, okay. Well, you have the rocket pods. That also comes with it. So you have the fuel tanks, sternal tanks, and the rocket pod. The rear vents for the Blackhawk. So they come with the rear vents also. So we got more room here. We'll put that right here. Wow. Okay, so these are the arms for, I believe, the top here. That will go here to hold the drop tanks and the rocket pods. So far we have windshield, the arms for the rocket pods and drop tank, the rear vents, the rear tail, sternal fuel tanks, the rocket pods, and the main fuselage. Oh, more stuff. The tail that comes with it. There's a lot of stuff that comes with this. And we have a bag of, I believe these are the light system. Let's open this up. This is the light system for the fuselage. So this comes with everything but the servos, the speed controller, and the back. Kind of tight. The bag is kind of tight here. All right, it's a Ziploc bag. Let's see all it has in here. Okay. Well, it comes in the set here. As you can see, you have the antennas, the scissors. Wow, everything. This is going to be a paint job and a half. So I'm going to have to paint all these before actually putting on the helicopter. And what else we have in the bag here? There's a Ziploc bag. Let's discard that also. Put that to the side. We have more screws and bolts for connecting the external arms for the drop pods and the fuel tank and the missiles. So we have this. Let's put it up here. I believe these are the cables, the hangers for the rods that will go back. And as you see, you have the lights for the tail and the bottom. And you have some more gears for, I believe, for that, for the mechanics and the servo holder. So we're gonna put that here. So wiring, I believe these are for the lights also. So as we put the lights in place, these are the wirings for the lights. Put that there. And I believe some foam here for the mechanics. Again, I might be wrong, but it's my first thing. So nothing else in this box. So let's go here to this box. So in this box we have, wow. All right, the foot pedals, the joystick for the cockpit, because it comes with a cockpit. And we also have, take this out of here, this I believe is for the main cockpit inside the helicopter. So we'll just put that back in here to make some room on this table here. So we'll throw this stuff back in here. Wow, it's a lot for one fuselage. Oh, wow. Here we have the seats. Oh, it moves up and down. So we have the seats. There's 2 sets of them in here for inside the cockpit. And what else do we have? Wow. This box is empty, so let's put this to the side. And we got all these out. We have, I believe, the rest of the cockpit. Wow, this is going to be nice. So let's slide that out. A little hard to slide out here. Okay. I'd like to thank my daughter for bearing with me as I finish this so she can finish watching her show. Okay. We have the cockpit. Wow. Later on in the next video, I'm going to show you all the lights that comes with the cockpit and how it hooks up. As you can see, there's a wiring underneath here. And you wish and hope that it had a sound card to it. So, it's the cockpit. And it also has lights here also. So let me see how this goes. If I'm to guess, it would go like this. Wow. So you have the whole cockpit, and this whole cockpit illuminates. So I will show a video of the cockpit and it illuminates. This is a quick video, and I believe the seats, if I can grab one here and put it on there, it will go here and sit here. Like I said, it's all together already for putting your whole helicopter together full scale with the cockpits. So we're going to go ahead and put these chairs back in the box, and I'm going to sit this cockpit right here. So far we have a lot of things that come with this kit. So let's go over here. Let's see what's in this box. Run out of room here. So, all right. This is the big boy. It comes with, wow, where's the opening for this one? All right. So here's the main mechanics that it comes with, and it already has servo rods on here, almost already together. You have the main gear that fits inside the mechanics, inside the fuselage, so it sits up in the doghouse. So as I say, let's move this out of the way and put it here so I can show you. All right, so if I was to remove this front piece here, Again, it's like I said, it's kind of fragile. All right, got a strong magnet here. So with the tail boom connected, it will slide in. Oh, I'm sorry. Once we remove this out of the way, so you will slide the tail boom in. It will go all the way in, and this piece will sit here. And what I was saying, unlike the other helicopters, like the 600, you wouldn't have to remove once you get it in settled. You don't have to worry about the mechanics having to take off the top piece to put this piece back on, because it just slides right in there, just like that. So we're going to leave that there like that for a while. And you have some bags in here for moisture. So we're going to put this here. Let's see what's else in this box. Ah, you have the rotor head, the 4-blade rotor head. So it's already assembled. You just connect it on, drop it on, and you're good to go. So you have the rotor head, and come out of bubble wrap here. You have the tail rotor. So you have the 4-blade tail rotor. Wouldn't it be nice if this thing came with one more thing in the box? Let's see what's in this box. You have the elevated tail boom, and this is probably the torque tube for the elevated tail boom and the extension for the elevated tail boom. So we have those here. So let's see what else we have in this box. And move the bubble wrap out of the way. One more thing. I am believing that this, if I opened it, is, I think, the blades that come with it. So let's slide it out and see. Oh, all right. What fell out in the box was the rear tail blades that comes with the kit, and the boom. You got the tail boom with the torque tube inside. Wow, am I missing something here? Let me think. No, I don't think so, not yet. It'll come to me. So you have the tail boom with the torque tube inside, and you get the 4 blades. They're overlapping each other on top. So you get the 4 blades that come with it. So I'm going to slide these back in there. Don't want to lose anything. Tail boom, there you go. So you don't jam it up in there and bend the ends. And the rear tail blades. So we'll put those back in the box. Wow. That's nice. That's real nice. So, to go back around, again, you have the rear tail boom. I was looking for something, but now I don't have to worry about looking for it because it's right here. I want to take it out, but I'll do that when I'm putting it together and run piece by piece. The tail blades and the mechanics for the tail blades. So I think everything that I just showed you comes in the 700 kit. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't so detailed, but it covered mostly everything. If you have any questions, you can hit me in the comments up below, and subscribe to my page, because I have one more helicopter I have to do an unboxing, and I think it's the UH-1. It's not mine, but I think I'm going to do the unboxing of that one next. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.